In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Pokemon GO Pawmo Evolve error. So first, we need to check if your Pokemon Go is up to date. The error may have been resolved with the latest update. So just go ahead and open up your Play Store and check it there. Second step is to change Pawmo. I don't have Pawmo, but I saw many people on Reddit have solved the problem this way. So to do this, we open Pokemon Go, and then once it opens, just tap on your icon in here and click on the swap buddies. So in here, you just have to select any buddies that you wanted to swap. So once we've successfully changed Pawmo, due to a current issue in the app, we can't evolve Pawmo while it's selected as our buddy. So by doing this way, we'll be able to evolve Pawmo. So if this solution didn't work for you, we'll move on to the third solution. So we have to uninstall and install Pokemon Go. But before that, we need to clear cache and data from our settings. So just click on your settings, app and settings, and then select the Pokemon Go. So in here, just tap clear data and clear storage. So once you're done with this, just go ahead and press and hold the Pokemon Go and then click on uninstall. Now let's open our Play Store and install Pokemon Go again. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.